on, just fly where I point.
Okay, booting up. You can use the sticks to move the camera. Zoom in and out. It'll pick up pedestrians carrying the 2012 SA state license. If you target them, the scanner accesses the database and pulls their record.
Fine. I got a pal on the ground we're gonna go see.
So hey, you researching a movie? Or TV? You're a screenwriter, right?
Not exactly.
An actor? Kinda smells like you're researching a role.
Hey, buddy, look, I got a confession, okay? I'm not an actor, or a writer, or the son of a bigwig. I'm a criminal, and your boss has kinda sold you to me.
Sold me?
I'm afraid so. Like chattel.
Huh?
Now we got that clear, you need to know we're looking for a high-value automobile. Once we find it, my guy in the ground will jack it, and we're gravy.
So, and then? And then what's happening?
And then, spoiler alert, kid. We kill the witness. Yikes!
Me?
Don't sweat, the dying ain't the hard part. The hard part is the ground you're hitting at terminal velocity. Who we got over by the oil derrick? My man, I'll give him a scan. Public exposure? What's the deal, Franklin?
Man, fuck that. I got a high ass, homie. One time I'll pick a brother up for any old shit.
You want me to take it out on the LSPD representative sitting beside me?
Man, just get the house. Dude we looking for is down that way. I'll follow the car.
Howitt! You heard the man.
Wherever you want to go.
You arrested my African-American friend for a minor infraction? The LSPD disgusts me!
It's not me. I mean, there's some bad apples in the department, but any accusation of a racist culture,
You wanna bullshit me? You can bullshit the freeway!
We do community outreach, but we have minority quotas.
Yeah, your nice dick's got a minority quota. I should take...
Look, please. We come so far in the last 2 decades.
Oh, you're lucky I can't use this thing with one hand and fly with the other. Come in, Franklin. We're in position over Howick Avenue. What's the name of the suspect?
The dude's name is Chad Mulligan. All right?
Chad Mulligan. Roger that. We ain't found him yet. 2 guys on a rooftop going at it. Lady downstairs in a bikini. Let's see if we can connect the dots. We gotta keep looking. Not our guy. Come in, Franklin. Suspect's not in the area. I repeat, suspect not found in the area.
All right. He might be a couple blocks east of there.
Roger that. Car owner is still out there. Look at these 2 going at it. Nothing like a middle-aged throat fuck in a dingy back alley to prove romance ain't dead, merely arrested. Not our suspect. Not Mulligan. Would you look at that couple? Finally, some normal, adjusted, healthy people in this horrible town. Come in, Franklin. We've got a positive ID on the suspect. I repeat, we have visual on Chad
All right, look, cool. We looking for his lockup, dog, all right? Stay on him and look out.
Roger that.